Hey guys, welcome back. My name's and this week I'm recreating the head bust from the Little Mix Bounce music video that just came out. For this video, you'll need an image of the bust that I've recreated in Photoshop, which you can download for free from the link below in the description. Once you have this, or create your own, import this image into After Effects and create a new comp. Import a video clip of a person's head. If you're making your own, it'd be easier if you film with a green screen. I've downloaded this video, however, from the internet. I'm just going to use key light and spill suppression to remove the green screen. From here, mask around the area that you want to keep in. Then position and scale the head into place by hitting P on the keyboard for position or S for scale. Next, open up the mask by hitting M on the keyboard twice quickly. This will open the mask properties and feather the edge out for the neck to blend into the bust. As the head moves, I need to animate the mask to follow the movement. To do this, press the stopwatch button here to insert keyframes. Don't forget to do this, because if you do, you'll spend all your time animating the mask and it'll make no difference, as it won't insert keyframes. Towards the end, the man turns his head. I'll need to keyframe the position so it remains in the same place. Once you've done that, all that's left to do is duplicate the head 8 times and scale and reposition to cover all the bust. Don't forget here, you'll need to change the keyframes for each head, especially the smaller ones at the back. And you're done! As always, hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment down below of any tutorials you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see you next week, guys.